even open this. Today, we be making, that's right, we making ramen noodles at 1 a.m. Now we cook. You got your ramen noodles, okay? Next thing you do, you open it, you take the flavor out, right? Yo, y'all can't even see it. Hey. Y'all see that? Yo. Hey. Y'all like my microwave? While we're waiting for that, how have y'all been? I have not uploaded in a while. That's because complications, mainly laziness. Not been working on King for a Popeye's chicken sandwich because no one's been doing the render for the next character. But now Gish is going to do it, so Paga might still take like 2 weeks, but is okay because we need that done. And so yeah, that's coming back sometime. I don't know when, but it's coming back. This is just an intermission video because I'm bored and wanted to do some normal content. I didn't know what else to do. I'm just bored, honestly, and I wanna upload. Anyways, let's go. I'm actually like addicted to ramen now. Here is the meal. To my grandma, who asked me if I was going to make ramen noodles at 12 a.m. Yes, I did. So, that was the meal. This is what we're doing on the channel now. Food at night time, late night time. This is the new 2 a.m. show, except it's not at 2 a.m. Guys! Thank you guys for not leaving. This is just how my channel has devolved. Devolved? What do you call it, devolved? It's kind of evolved into this. I don't know what this is. It's content though, and I really just make whatever I want on this channel, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There is sure to be more like it. Probably. Anyways, I will catch you in the next ones. Also, King for a Popeye's chicken sandwich. It's not gone. It's not dead. It's not canceled. It's still here, and it's coming back. That's right.